66, one of our female drivers here for Girl Power. That is Ashley Matz. Inside row 3 is Mark Bielefeld, the Beetle. And outside of Mark Bielefeld is Dan Schmeissing. Here they come, they come, they come! Green flag, and we're racing! Into one. It's going to be Lounsbury.
Over Lamont right now.
Ashley Matz making a move in the 66. Smith back and forth with Matz as they make contact.
Making it Lounsbury, Lamont, Smith, your top 3 runners.
I don't think the bounce helped Ashley on that one as she's going to the back. Maybe something's off there at the battle with Schmeissing. And coming around, we're going to have 3 in the books. As Smith looks to the inside of Ross Lamont for second spot.
But it's the 3rd in the points in that 22 car of Dwayne Lounsbury holding on right now. Lamont second, Smith right in there in the 3rd spot. But a battle between the 12 and 5.
So if Lounsbury can get this win, that'll definitely help him in the race for the points. The other drivers are not in the top 5 currently in points. But anything can change after tonight. As the battle ensues for second place with Smith and Lamont side by side. Smith in the 5-star car challenging Ross Lamont for the second place.
Watch out for the Beetle in the 96 car. Bielefeld creeping his way up in there in the top 4, almost getting on Smith for the 3rd spot.
Smith fell off just a little bit there. Ross Lamont getting a little bit of comfort there as Mark Bielefeld's looking to challenge Josh Smith.
Lounsbury, Lamont, and Smith, your top 3 with 1 to go.
As the final lap winds down, it could be Schmeissing taking over 4th from Bielefeld. We're going to find out right now. Oh, we can have a photo finish for 4th. Oh, it's Schmeissing for 4th. Bielefeld for 5th and Ashley Matz 6th. As Lounsbury's the winner. Wow.
22 car, or check that, the 12 car of Ross Lamont will be in 2nd. The 5 of Josh Smith will be 3rd. The 2nd 12 car of Dan Schmeissing will be in 4th. And the 96 car, the Beetle, Mark Bielefeld, rounding out your top 5.
That was an amazing last lap. I think Schmeissing caught him sleeping there, and he made his move to grab that 4th spot as we bring